YouTube. Let's do this Bobby Oroza song called Your Love Is Too Cold. It's got a very 60s vibe to it, like maybe like Motown, especially the drums and the rhythm section. Sounds like Motown. Anyways, the song is in B minor. So I think it does like a little, that little, at the beginning it just kind of like hits the B minor. And he's doing these hammer-ons on the high E throughout the song on a lot of the chords. Alright, and then the verse starts and it's these are minor 7 chords, and in relation to the B minor is your 1. This we go up to our 5 to start the verse, which is this is F sharp, is what you call F sharp minor. So F sharp, but we're gonna play it up here because that's where they're playing it. Minor 7. And they're just walking it down to the 8, 7. Not back to the 9. You hit that. In this case, it's the 12th fret. That's the verse. Then it goes into the song. Actually has like a turnaround or like a refrain. Break my love in two. Right, so that's like a little turnaround or refrain. Kind of ends the verse. It's D, A, D. E minor 7, and then it just goes back into the verse. So alright, so there is a bridge, a very brief one. It happens around 2 minutes and 36 seconds into the song. It goes to I've been nothing but a fool to you, and then it goes back into the verse. So that is just a B minor. Starts on B minor. I've been nothing but a fool. Resolves on the D. If I told you my dreams. Okay, that's the only other different part of the song I hear. All right, thanks for watching, and that was a request, so thank you for the request. Have fun playing that song. Bye.